We're here at the Willing Hearts today to help out with kitchen preparation as well as delivering some food to the people in need.
Willing Hearts, it's around now for 19 years. Today we are serving 7 days a week, 10,000 meals a day. People who are in need, who are they? Elderly staying alone, low-income family, sick people.
It was an eye-opening experience, a very humbling experience, but we're glad we were able to impact society in a very small but meaningful way today.
It's really showing the strength of the Rimini family.
We'd like to thank the Rimini Street volunteers help us to sustain this operation. Thank you.
We'll definitely be coming back for more stuff.
Yep, it's not our typical Monday morning, but it's extraordinary.